Hi everyone, this is Javon with Talkfusion support, and today I'm going to show you how to create an autoresponder campaign. The goal for creating an autoresponder campaign is to create a series of messages or predetermined messages to a certain audience. You may want to follow up with them and give them different updates on things that you have going on within your company or within your personal life if it's going to be sent out to family members. So let's get started. Over to the left in the Create section, you'll see that we have an autoresponder button. If you hover your mouse over that, you'll be then given two options. One will be to click Video Email Responders or Newsletter Responders. We'll go ahead and click Video Email Responders. Once the page loads, you'll be able to title your new campaign. Once you create your title, click Create. It'll ask you if you want to create a regular video autoresponder campaign or a private label autoresponder campaign. The private label option will be available for those accounts who have the private labeling option within their package. We'll create a regular video email responder campaign for now. Click Submit. It will then take you to create your first message in the series of messages that you'll create for your campaign. So let's go ahead and select the template. Maybe we want to show some appreciation to some of our customers who have signed up or have purchased anything from us. We'll go ahead and use a pre-recorded video. Now you can also still use clip merging options if you want to put multiple messages onto each video message that you're sending out in your campaign. Otherwise, go ahead and click Compose Message. Once you click Compose Message, you'll be able to go ahead and start your scheduling options. Notice at the top left, you have an option to choose the date that you want to have the first message sent out in the campaign series and the exact time that you would like it to go out in the campaign series. The times are rounded to the nearest hour. Next, we'll go ahead and create a subject line. You can also include an attachment. Some people may want to include maybe coupons for their customers. You can also change the contact information for each video message that's sent out in the campaign. You can also add your Facebook icons onto your video email. You can further personalize them by having them linked to your own Facebook or Twitter page. And once you're done, click Save. And it will then take you to review your first message that you've created. On this page, it will then show you the reports for this video email. Towards the bottom, you also will be given the option to add your recipients. You can add them in individually, or you can choose the folder from your contact manager to send to a group of recipients at the same time. Since I want to add another message to my campaign, we'll go ahead and click on the Add Message button at the upper right-hand corner. This will give us the ability to add second, third, or fourth message to our campaign. So we'll go ahead and click Add Message. It takes us back to the Video Email Studio, and let's create our second message for this campaign. Next, you can go ahead and schedule your second message and when you want to go out. For now, we'll just go ahead and click the next available date. And I'm going to schedule it just like before. And we'll go ahead and save our second message. With the autoresponder campaign, you have the ability to schedule out 10 messages. Once you have multiple messages, you'll also have the option to sort your messages. So for example, if you wanted to change the order that the second message is in, you can make your second message your first message and your first message your second message by doing the sorting option. Now we're ready to add our recipients for the campaign. Once you have typed in your recipient, click on the green arrow on the envelope to add it. You can also add or select any contact folders if you want to send out this campaign to a group of recipients within that folder. We'll just stick to the one email address for now. And then once you're satisfied, click Save Recipient. The page will then update in the current recipient section with that recipient's email address. Before the campaign begins, you still have the ability to come back here and add more recipients to this page. You can also edit the message or view the template or edit the template before you send it out. If you're satisfied with your video email campaign, go ahead and click Done. Once you click Done, go ahead and get back to your dashboard. Click on the video email responder to review your responder that you have scheduled. It will now be located in the campaign created in the year section. Now, if you ever wanted to stop the campaign before it's sent out, or if you realize that you have a campaign that's running and you want to stop it, you can always come here and click on the Cancel Campaign button. This will completely stop the campaign. This section also provides you additional information on your campaign that it will show you who the campaign was sent to, along with the subject line and the date it was scheduled. You can also see the status of the campaign and if the status is active or not. You also have a few sorting options. You can sort it by year or by status, or you can search the campaign name title if you have multiple campaigns that you're trying to locate. Just to give you a quick look, we'll show you how to create a video newsletter responder as well. The process is completely identical. Now you can create your newsletter campaign by selecting the ones that you created before. So we have one in January that we created and one we created today. We'll go ahead and select those two and then click autoresponder to begin creating our newsletter responder campaign. With the newsletter responder campaign, you also have the ability to drag your messages vertically to arrange when you want your message to go out or when you want that particular message to be sent. You can also change the scheduling options, just like you did before with video email campaigns, and you can change or select the time you want it to be sent. I'll have that scheduled on the 20th. I will keep them both at 11 a.m. We're satisfied with the contact information, so we'll go ahead and click Save. And if you scroll down the page, now you have the ability to add your recipients for this newsletter. So we'll go ahead and add our recipient. We'll click on the green arrow on the envelope to add the contact. Then we'll click Save Recipients. I'll give you one last time to review the recipients that you sent or you scheduled to have this sent to, and then you can click Done. Now you can return to your dashboard, and you can review both the video email or your video newsletter responder messages. As you can see, just like video email, the campaign is here. You'll still have the option to cancel the campaign or add additional messages, as well as view as the active status for that campaign. Thank you for watching the autoresponder tutorial. I hope this has been very helpful for you. If you have any further questions, please feel free to email us at support@talkfusion.com. Thank you.